What's up, guys? Back at the workshop today, but it's a little bit of a change. I'm having to move out of the workshop where I am now. Unfortunately, my friend that I'm using the property where my workshop is needs a space for storage for his business. So yeah, in the previous video you saw me starting to sort the place out, and now I'm moving. So, but it's fine. Luckily, I've got an extra space in my office. I've got a little storeroom there, so I'm going to be moving everything there. I'm not going to be filming much today. All I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of my toolboxes and my workbench there so long, so I'm going to slowly over the next month or so, or next couple of weeks actually, keep on thinking that it's not even December yet. So end of December basically I need to be out. So I'm gonna start moving stuff, and then yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Alright, so this is basically where the new workshop is gonna be. It's tiny, but I don't have another choice. I'm not gonna, it's pointless going to rent a storage unit to put my tools into if I've got this kind of space that we can use here. So my guys are busy cleaning up here, sorting it out, and getting rid of vinyl and crap that we don't use. So yeah, this is where I'll be moving all my tools and crap into for now. It's just going to be a temporary thing until I can get a house with a double garage or find somewhere else, but at the moment this will just have to do.
responsible.
So after a long day, everything is basically here. Well, besides the fact that I'm busy doing shocks on my mom's E90, space fills up very quickly, but I've still got all of this shit to sort out. And do you really think everything's going to fit in that room? No. So I think what I'm going to do is, I've started already, you can see there. I've still got all of that space there. So I'm going to start just packing stuff here. But I might have to start putting all of this, so these doors and the rest of the spares, so like the Jetta boot lid, door panels and all that kind of crap, basically out there. So underneath that windowsill there is a bit of a gap. You'll see there's like a frame, and then there's a little partition on the left hand side. So on the left hand side there's a partition on the wall sticking out a little bit. So I'm actually going to pack some stuff behind that and just cover it with PVC banner or something. But obviously I'm not going to be able to fit all of this shit. Besides the fact that all of this needs to actually be sold, all of these spares, but no one wants it. I mean, yeah, I've still got crap load of spanners. Those are E81. I think E81 added to 1 series wheels, and then I've got a E90 wheel there. I've got the other 2 1 series wheels behind there. I've got the full set of Audi wheels from my wagon, and then I've still got a set of 16-inch Steelies from a Golf 4 that initially I wanted to put on one of my wagons when I still had it. But at least everything is here, so now it's just trying to sort the crap out and throw away unnecessary shit. Like, I mean, this is a fuel flap for a Jetta. All of these, it's just, oh, there's just too much shit. So yeah, the next clip will probably just be, again, a time lapse of me trying to sort all of this crap out. So wish me luck. Okay, so we made some progress. Came in today just to start packing crap away because, as you can see, can't do anything else. It's pouring outside, so I still got a lot of work to do. Like, honestly, a shitload of work to do. But I mean, a lot of the stuff, okay, well, the stuff you saw in the previous video, but I got all that crap packed there, all of that, and then this. So it doesn't look like much, but there's all of that stuff was here. So those are just I think those are still springs from my station wagon, if I'm not mistaken, from my Golf 4 station wagon, and there might be some Ibiza springs there, I'm not sure. That is the strut mount from my Jetta 4. Probably need to chuck that away. Then I just need to make space for, I don't know where I'm going to put the drill press, because my biggest problem is I don't have, okay, well, this is just, so there's some tools in there I need to sort out. I still need to sort that out. This is all the stuff that was hanging on my wall at the old workshop. The dashboard, like I said in the previous video, I'm going to put that all outside with all of this crap here. So the boot lid and all of that. But I mean, by the way, if anyone needs any Mark IV spares, please let me know. I need to get rid of that crap. This as well, this boot carpets, caddy door panel, Jetta or Golf, dashboard complete. Just my ramps, and there's some more odd spares and crap. I don't know what I'm gonna put, where I'm gonna put this little table. There's just no space, but we're getting there. So as you can see, I don't really have wall space to use. What I am considering doing is all this, the doors and stuff, making kind of like a, well, there is already like a little roof section out there on that wall outside, where we used to put like our ladders and our scaffolding and so on. So I might hang it up there and cover it with PVC or something until I sell it, which means I'll have all of the space available again, and then I can do something else. I mean, like I said, I've got a lot of tools. I need to sort out all of these spanners. You know, I've got so many doubles of everything. There's just a lot less than what I was, but there's still a lot of stuff to sort out. I mean, there's a couple of things I still need to throw away. This is the spare tire for the E39, which I've got a rim coming for that. Finally found one about 300 k's away or so. One of my guys that worked for me lives in that area, so he's going to be picking that up for me. But that's the old other spare wheel, 17-inch spare wheel from the Audi wagon, BMW wheels, Audi wheels. So yeah, but hey, I'm making it work. It's coming together. So yeah, that's going to be all for today. I'll come in a couple of days time to try and sort out the rest. Once the rain stopped, then I can at least try and sort out the spares, pack it outside, cover it up so it doesn't look intrusive, it's not in the way. So yes, I think that's about it. Alright guys, I think I'm going to end the video here. It's going on for too long now, but I mean, this is basically where I am at the moment. Nothing's really changed. The only thing is I've done, when I put my toolbox here, just leaves me more space on the workbench, which obviously there isn't now. So I mean, I can sit on a little chair and I can do things here, I can do stuff here. And I just got this stuff to sort out, but it's nothing really exciting. Probably just going to move that all into the tool room, which is what I'm going to call it now, because it's not a workshop anymore. So I'll just move all of that crap into here and leave it here. When I get time, I'll sort it out. I was just busy. You'll see there's space now. Just busy. I just sold my Audi wagon, so yeah, kind of a sad day. But I mean, I'm doing that in order for me to keep the E39. So I took the wheels off. Client that bought the car didn't want the wheels. He said it was too big for him. So there's the peelers and obviously baby seat and all that kind of crap. So that's it. Today is the 31st of December. So yeah, was a strange year, but let's hope in 2022 it's going to be good for everybody. So happy new year to everyone, and be safe.